For the legislators at the Edo State House of Assembly, today's plenary session has, among other issues for discussion, a recent rainstorm which wreaked havoc on several houses in mostly Akoko-Edo local government area. The member representing Akoko-Edo Constituency 1, Yakini Ediaye, speaks of the widespread devastation caused by the downpour.
The wind blew off more than 100 houses, and the inhabitants, they are peasant farmers. They do not go to farm up till now. They cannot go to farm. The children do not go to school. Well, it was early hours of the day. Their uniforms were affected. Their boots were equally affected. I need the support of my colleagues to ensure that the people of Ojerami, Dangbala, Oja, Makeke, Ososo, Akuku, Ate, they are assisted by way of providing palliative for them.
The lawmakers want relevant agencies tasked with the responsibility of providing emergency succor at both the national and state levels to do the needful as soon as possible.
It is proper to bring it to the notice of this Honorable House so that Mr. Speaker will use his good office to ensure that something is done so that it can also be brought to the attention of relevant agencies like NEMA and SEMA so that they will be able to come to the aid of those people who are involved, so that they will not be rendered homeless perpetually.
Federal, states, and local governments should urgently undertake and non-stop assessment to ascertain the level of damages caused by Rainstorm. The federal and state agency to provide quality to those affected. And other charitable organizations should be kind and merciful to send the matters between the communities affected. Our senior colleagues at the National Assembly, they are being upon to bring similar motions on the floor of the Senate and House of Representatives.
A bill for a law to enact the Edo State School of Nursing, Health Science and Technology, Udomi Law 2025, and other matters connected therewith scales through its second reading.
The state government is willing, able, and eager to establish a state school of excellence and technology to train young men and women who are minded to get expertise in this area of life, so that it not only a means for them of livelihood, but also of impacting positively to humanity.
I must tell you that this initiative of our able governor to choose Esa Central, Udomi precisely to be the point for this school affair is a wise decision.
The day's proceedings come to an end as the Speaker announces the composition of the 8-member State House of Assembly Commission with Ezehi Igbas as chairman. Osaose Sado, Ait Benin.